Orlando Pirates have decided to remove their star Thembinkosi Lorch from all club activities until December 12, after he was sentenced to 3 years imprisonment for assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm in the Randburg Magistrate Court on Tuesday. His team released a statement that reads as follows: Orlando Pirates Football Club is at all times mindful of its obligation as a result of the employer-employee relationship it has with the players. The club also handles the administration of justice in a manner that avoids double jeopardy, where the players would be punished twice for the same offense. The above are consistent with the club values, without which the club will not function judiciously. Having said that, the club has removed Thembinkosi Lorch from all club activities until December 12. Lorch's sentence was wholly suspended for 5 years on the condition that he is not found guilty of committing a similar offense during the period of suspension. The Sea Robbers ace was found guilty by the Randburg Magistrate Court in June for assaulting his ex-girlfriend Fundiswa Masisibala. The 30-year-old star was also ordered to pay a fine of 100,000 rands to non-governmental organization People Opposing Women Abuse, with 50,000 payable immediately and the balance expected installments. Essentially, Lorch will only miss 3 games, starting with the league fixture away to Richards Bay on Saturday. The second game the Buckstar will miss is a home clash against Soweto rivals Swallows in the DStv Premiership on December 5 at Orlando Stadium. The last game Lorch will skip is at home to TS Galaxy in the League 2 on December 9. Meanwhile, it's not clear why Lorch's suspension is only valid until December 12. But indications are that the Bucks are doing this to avoid double jeopardy, where the player will be punished twice, as said in the statement. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.